Hello, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be learning about how to subtract integers. So before starting with that, let me tell you what exactly the meaning of subtraction on the number line. So in the previous video, I was teaching you the meaning of addition, moving towards the right side of the number line. So uh, if we are subtracting the two numbers, that means we will be moving towards the left side. So similarly, here we will be picking the two integers. Let's say I have picked the number 6 and I have also picked the 10. So these are the two integers. Now I will be subtracting them and let's see what comes up. So where is my 6? So 6 is here on the number line and I need to make how many jumps towards the left side? 10 jumps. So let's make it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have reached to minus 4. So the answer will be negative 4. Let's take one more example quickly. Let's say this time I will take an integer mm, -1 and I will subtract 4 from it. So I will be starting from the -1. I need to make, as I am subtracting 4 from it, I will be making 4 jumps towards the left side. So let's make it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's making a -5. So the answer will be -5. Thank you.